All right. So are you with your system? Hello, are you with your system? Hi, please confirm if you can see my screen. Hello, please confirm if you can see my screen. Hi, please, are you still here? Hello, are you still here? All right, please, can you see my screen? Just to confirm. All right. So like we last week we started this landing the official page, but we could not continue because of network. So now we are going to continue with we are done with the category page now. So what I'm going to do is to pick this and this. Oh, sorry. And so I'll pick this and this and add auto layout. Then pick this entity and this and add auto layout to make this a group. Please, can you hear me? Just confirm by talking. Can you hear me? Then afterwards, I pick this entity and this and add auto layout. So I'll make this 50. Make this 20. And probably just make this 40. All right, so we have our category section ready. So afterwards, what we are going to do next is to probably create another section, another heading. So actually, before this, we can make something like a brand. Let's bring this downward. So after the row section, I was thinking of something maybe like a brand, like supported brands. So we can put the rectangle. We can put the section here. So I just need to pick the rectangle, draw something underneath here, like this. Like this. So on this, we can now look for logos, brand logos. So let me pick some. Let me just pick one. Let me pick this ones. Alright. Um, from something I've worked on before. So yeah, let me pick this. So this will be like supported brand logos. Yeah, I'm going to make this color this. Yeah, perfect. All right, so we'll now bring up our categories here. So after this, let's look at our template. What is next? Um, we have the categories already. We can also add something like new arrival, bestseller, and popular. So what we just do here is to pick this right up here. So let's just pick this entity. You copy this, copy and paste to replace here. So afterwards, I can make this new arrival. I can make this best selling. Then we have popular. We have popular. We have mm, let's say recent products. Basically stuff like that. So I can delete this. All right. So please, are you getting what I'm doing? Please, I just want to know that I'm reacting with someone. I'm talking to someone. Do we all get this?
Yes, we are following.
All right. So we have that. Then we can basically just name this. Let's look at our. All right, we can name this all products. Yeah. So we can name this all products. Fixed. Fixed. Then all products. All right, so we have that. So what we can do, let's just duplicate this and bring it here. Let's just duplicate and bring it here. So putting this like this will make it 50. The same way, sorry, 40. With the same distance between the first one is 40. We have to make sure that between the second two is 20, 40. And this is also 20. All right, so we have that. Then afterwards, the next section we are going to design. All right, so let's work with the blog. Let's work with blog. Um, so we are going to pick this as well. Always remember that this is to make sure that we are consistent in what we are doing. So name these blog. Um, it says blog. All right. So let's design a card for our blog. Let's see how this looks like. All right. Okay, I think we can work with this. Let's see for this. Okay. You can work with that as well. So to just make sure that we have, it's kind of different from these cards that we are using. So I'm just going to create a rectangle here. Make sure that you're working with alignments. Make sure you're working with alignments. So you create a rectangle here. Then let's go to our plugin, Freepik. All right, so let's just look for fashion. Fashion. Mm, let's pick one of the designs here. Hmm. Okay, I think we can pick this. All right. So let's pick the headline. This is just for consistency, to be consistent. So let's pick the headline. You can make this how to become a fashion consultant. So make this bold just because it's a headline. How to become a fashion consultant. To become. All right, so let's see the. You're going with this. We decide to go with this. Okay, just the right up, and we have the picture. All right, so I'm going to duplicate these, duplicate it, then make it regular, and reduce the text size to like 16. Then I'll go to my plugin, Lorem Ipsum, like a dummy test. So you go to your plugin and look for Lorem Ipsum. Look for Lorem Ipsum. Then depends on how many sentences you want to create. So let's just make this like 4 sentences. Then you generate. It's very simple. It's very simple to use. Then afterwards, you add this. Let's make this bold. Okay, semi-bold. So we can actually make this our primary color. We can make this our primary color. So pick this. Yeah, beautiful. Then add auto layout. Make this 5. Then afterwards, make what's the corner, normal corner radius will come in with 5. Also make this 5. Then add auto layout with this to make our blog. So duplicates, select 3, then you pick the 3 and add auto layout. Make sure that they are the same and it's well aligned. Then you pick the 3 and add auto layout to give it a definite spacing. So after that, you pick this and add auto layouts and make it 40. The one will be coming up with 40. All right, so let's preview how this looks like so far. Let's present. Please, am I still here? JT, are you still here? Mojola, are you still here?
Yes, I am.
JT, are you still here? All right, so let's present this and see how it looks like. Sorry, still loading. Yeah, so sorry, man. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello, please confirm if you can hear me.
Yes.
All right, thank you. So my network actually went on. So friend. So I'm trying to present this, but it's not coming through. So what we'll just do is to continue with the design. So when it comes through, we'll just. All right. So we have our we have the blog section. Then the next thing that we can have based on our templates here, we can have the um for this a banner. So what we do with that is to draw a rectangle, make sure that the rectangle is reaching the end point. Draw a rectangle to fill. Yeah, perfect. All right, so for this, what we can add is just like a call up, let me see, like a button. So we can use this color. Let's see if this will work. Mm, let's see if it's going to work. All right, so let me pick a free pick. So actually, what we can have there is like, okay, enjoy 50% discounts on your first order and free delivery for goods above 200 200,000. So we bring this here, increase the font. Then we can have our call to action button here. So we just drag our button here, drag it, bring it down, bring to front, bring it down here to put like, okay, shop now. Then this will be here. Please, are you still following? No? So pick this and this. It's 40. So afterwards, come here to pick any fashion. Mm. Right, let's pick this. All right, so we have to reduce the diagram like we know. Reduce, 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 reduce. So we can increase a bit. Then go ahead to crop it. You crop the side. You crop the side and bring it here. So it's not inside our frame. Based on our layer panel here, I can see it's not inside our frame. So you drag it inside the frame. All right, so yeah. Go ahead to remove the background because we don't want background interfering in our design to cause an interference. And with that, we have like another should I say a call to action button, but just like to just oversee or talk about more, give more informations about the product or about the website. So let's wait for this to remove. So after this, when we're done with this, we work with our footer. Where we add our JC, are you even following up?
Yes, ma'am, following.
All right. So let this load up.
Mine is not more projecting again. I can't see the visual display.
Yes, I'm checking other screens. Where is this taking long to? Why is this taking so long to remove? All right, so this is going to take much of our time. Let's just leave it. Then the next thing we want to do here, I think we should just work with our newsletter. I saw one here that is really nice. All right, we can use this. We can use this. So what I'll do is to copy this. All right, so what I'll do is to copy this and bring it here. So this would be newsletter. So we have like a mini write up. So I'm going to pick this. I'm going to pick this and add here. Sign up for okay, sign up with your email. So get regular updates about our store. So we pick this and add auto layouts, then we make it 20. Cool. When we're done with this, we have to make sure that we have a what's it called? A search box or like an input field. So we can quickly do that by drawing a rectangle. You draw a rectangle, then duplicate it. Duplicate it for this to be like the submit. So this is going to be 5, like we all know. Then a write up on it to say enter your email. All right, this is going to be like the call to action button here. So cut, then paste to replace. All right. So this will be submit. All right. So I'm going to add this together, add auto layouts, increase it to this point, then let's align. Then when I'm done, I auto layout this too and make it like 0. So this is going to have a I'm going to have to reduce opacity for this. Then the settings as well. Okay, not bad. Sorry, this form field. Okay, then add auto layout. So this will be 40. So when we are done with this, we have our newsletter already. So it's time to create our footer. All right, so it's on now. Let me share. Let me share this. Can you see it? Jesse, can you see this? Please respond with unmute your mic and respond because I'm literally not in the.
Yes, ma, I can see
Can
it.
you see it?
Yes, ma.
All right, so this is how view looks like. This is our arrow section. This is the categories, the all products, the latest blog, then a small CTA action. Then we have the newsletter, and we're going to have the footer here. So the footer primarily it takes most of the time it takes the feel of we use the primary color for the feel. Yeah, what'd you say? You can talk.
Okay, ma. My question is, okay, this design, is it that it's only meant for website designing or landing page?
I don't think what you're trying to say. This is a landing page. This is a landing page. A landing page is the first thing that you see in a website. That is the first screen you come across in a website. So what are you trying to say? Like, I don't get the question.
Okay, like I've gotten to it. What I was just trying to say is that, like, this like if we're like to create a landing page, this is how it should, like, is this how we are going to do this for the specific product or the
Yes, this is how
site
it's
you're
going
talking about?
for all website. This is like normally basically how it, but the design may be different, based on the context of e-commerce that I have. That's why I created this. But whenever you are designing your own thing, you have to work based on the concepts that you have, on the content, on what the whole purpose of the website is about. So we have different ways of designing a landing page, but a landing page is going to like contain summary of what is in your website, like summary of most of the pages in your website. Like you can see this nav bar, we have the products, we have shop and all. So for example, now maybe when I click on products, or when I click on a card here, on this card of products, it will take me to the product screen. For example, for this category, I just click on this, it's going to take me to the shop
Yes.
screen. Do you get what I'm
Yes,
trying to
ma'am.
say now? So all your for your landing page, majorly important screens in your design, there will be like a summary on your landing page, and from the landing page you can go to those screens. Do you get
Yes,
that
ma'am.
now? All right. So let's continue with this. We have the footer. So for the footer, I'm just going to pick this logo here. I'm going to pick this logo here. Okay. Um. Oh, this logo has pink. Let me see if there's a way to change it to white. Forgotten that. This is useful enough. Mhm. I think this is fair enough. All right. Okay. This is. No. No. All right. I think this is perfect. Okay. So for here we have our logo under our footer. We have our logo. Then we can start working with things like, for example, let's see our templates here. What are the things under your your footer? Okay, we have company, we have getting in touch on social media. So let's work with this. All right, so we have company, we have company. So under the company, we can make this semi bold. Then under the company, we are going to have another subtopic. So this can be regular. All right, so under company, we have about us, um, we have categories. So I'm just trying to like pick some things of it. Categories, we have products, we have products. All right, thank you. Please just talk. You know that I'm actually on the screen. So if you don't say anything, just talk. I'm here with you. All right, so we have the contact us. All right, so for this, I'm just going to pick this. I'm going to pick this, pick this, pick this, and add auto layout. So I'll make this 15. Then this is an entity. Then I will now go ahead. I will go ahead to add with this. So the spacing between that can be 30 here. So this is like the subtopic of under the company, we have all these sections. Same thing we can do for legal. This legal can be terms and conditions. And here we can have privacy policy. Okay, so let's put this to out. All right, so the next thing to do is to add our social media icons. So let's go to Iconify. Oh my God, sorry. This actually went off. I mistakenly clicked. I mistakenly clicked the close button. Sorry, I mistakenly clicked the close button. So, okay. Sorry about that. I'm really sorry. I mistakenly clicked the close, but I closed the tab. All right. So let's work with this.
I can't hear you. Ma, we can't hear you.
I think the network is bad. That's why. This plane service is
Yeah,
funny, so network everything is just catching.
I thought she put herself like
Oh. I know she's using system and she should chop data. No be sure. Oh yeah, you continue the teaching like that.
What are you doing? You continue now.
All right, so I'm back now. Can you guys hear me now?
Ah,
Oh, thank God. I've been talking and talking and talking. I'm so sorry about that. It's about to rain actually, but I want us to like finish this landing page before we close the call. So let's just quickly work with the footer with the social media icons. So I think this has exported. Where is it? All right, so let's bring this into our footer here. Let's bring this in. So this should be the first one. Let's make this 35. Okay, let's say 40. Then duplicate, look for Twitter. Hope I'm still audible.
yes.
All right, thank you. So pick this as well. Replace, change it to 40. So maintain consistency. Then duplicate. Let's say WhatsApp. So replace, change this to 40. Then please remind me of social media, please.
Instagram.
Yeah, Instagram. Thank you.
LinkedIn.
Um, all right, so replace. Okay, I think this is enough. So I'll pick everything. Add Ottilia. Oh, sorry. I meant to pick the rectangle. So let's see if this will look nice in white. Okay. It actually doesn't look like nice in white. Hmm. Okay, with the black looks weird. Let's see our designs here. Let's see our templates here. Okay, with the black actually looks weird to me. Okay. Let's see if I can make this stroke instead. No, it's not working. It's not. It's not. All right, so we have to leave this like this then. So this would be like, let this be at the edge here. So this would be like, pick this out. Social media platforms. Social media platform. Or let's say social media. There's no this for platform. Social media. Then also underneath, we can work with the address. So picking this, you can just put Lagos, Nigeria. So underneath it, we can put the call. Oh, sorry, the phone number. All right. So let's make this a little bit. Victoria, Victoria Island, Lagos, Nigeria. So make this like this. Auto layout. Make this 5. Then pick this auto layout. Then we look for this 30, but we'll make it 30. Let's make this 15. Let's make this 15. Then we add auto layout with this. 15 is a bit much. Okay, 10, about 10. All right. So after that, we add auto layout to this too. And we drag here. Okay, cool. So when we are done, we pick the 3 and add auto layouts. Perfect. Perfect. All right, so did we see this? Am I
Yes.
still on, please? All right.
Yes.
So I'm thinking we should reduce this a bit to 30. Yeah, let's reduce it a bit to 30. Okay. Yeah, not bad. So let's preview. So we are done with this. We have this. Then we can add auto layouts with this to make it an entity. Shift A to make it an entity. Okay, up. Then with this as well, Shift A. Okay. Bring this up. All right, so let's present this. So we're not done with this. Add auto layout to this. Add auto layout to this. Perfect. So we have to now work on the spacing. Sorry, it's 1440. So the space between here is 105. Let's make it 100. 100. The space between here and this should be 100 as well. 99.99. This also should be 100. This and this should be 100. Let me see that 100 is not too much. Actually, 100 is too much a bit. Oh, okay. All right, let's make it 75. Yeah, 100 is a bit too much. Yeah, 75. 75. 75. 75. Then we come over here. We come over here to reduce this. Perfect. So let's present and see. Sorry, we started late. That's why we have to finish this late. So sorry about that. All right, so let's preview this and see how it looks like. All right, so can you guys see this?
Yes.
All right, so scrolling down, we have our categories, we have our products, we have the blog, then we have our right up here. Sorry, this background is not meant to be there, but because it's not the plugin is very slow, so that's why I had to just leave it. So we have the newsletter and we have our footer. Mind you, you can design to be better than this, but I just used this to make an example Because if I say I should start doing like a very art design now, it might be confusing at some point. So I just used this as an example. It can be a way better than this, way better than this, but just for beginners, just to make this as an example. So doing this, is there any problem? Like any problem? Do you have like any problem since we've been working on this? JT Modular, is there anything challenging, anything you don't understand since we've been working on this?
No, no.
All right, JT, what
No, ma.
about? Okay, but I don't even see your. Are you not on the playground, JT? Are you not
No, ma,
on
I'm
the
not on
play?
the.
Why? You don't have a system, or I've not added
Yes, my
you.
phone, no.
Oh, you don't have a system.
I have, but it's not with me. The battery is down.
Okay, so why you should have told me to add you to the playground since then.
I joined the last time when we were doing that the action button for on and off.
All right. Okay, have you done yours?
Yes,
Okay, that means you're on the playground. What's your name on the playground?
JTO.
I cannot find you here. Oh, you didn't change your name. You didn't change the page.
It's my own.
These are the names on the playground now. These are the names on the playground. So where exactly did you do your work?
Like I opened it when you say we should not do it on one another playground. So I did it. I did it on my own.
And I just told you that I should pick a page here. You pick a page here, then you rename it to your name and start working on your own page. That was what I said. So if you can still find a way on your recent activities, you still see the tech skill group, the
Yes.
playground.
The
So
best.
here you just log in, just go on the playground, pick any page and rename it. Then you copy your designs there.
Okay, ma.
All right. So please, for next week, I want us to replicate this design I did. Just replicate this, and let's see how far. Just replicate this and let's see how far. Is that fine by everyone?
Yes, ma.
All right. So thank you guys for joining today's class. I'm really grateful. Even though we started late, please let's just try and join early. Let's try and join early so that we'll finish early now. To the time we'll have to finish. So thank you guys. So see you guys next week, Friday. Sorry, Saturday unfailingly. Thank you. Good night.